What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well. It is currently 1:30 in the morning. Yes, you heard that right. And no, I don't sleep. Just a little Instagram live. There are about 150 of you in the chat. Let me know if you're a part of it. Use the code word. #eggroulette. Gungeon jeans. You know what to do. Anyway, in today's video, or tonight's video, or I don't even know at this point. Today, at this present moment, I'm gonna be trying out a bit of a weird product. So this is the Lola's Lashes kit thing. Doesn't really say on the box. This one here is the Diamond Magnetic Eyelashes and Eyeliner Kit. So basically, I've seen this kind of thing floating around the internet for a little while now. Basically, it's the idea that instead of using lash glue, I think the idea is you like paint on a liner and that liner is magnetic and then you can stick your magnetic falsies to the liner. Which now I'm thinking about it, like, is that safe? Am I literally about to stick like magnets to my eyeballs? Because the last time I did any kind of like magnetic eyelashes thing, I ended up looking like this. Wasn't the best look. So yeah, I'm skeptical. I'm very skeptical. So like I said, these are the Lola's Lashes. So it looks like you have maybe 4 different styles. Yeah, so it looks like I have 4 different styles. They are £35 at the moment for an entire kit, or they are normally £45. So they are on sale at the moment. Basically, they come like this, and inside you get a cleaning oil. I guess that's maybe to like take off the liner or something. You get a pair of lashes, so each like kind of kit, like they vary depending on the style of lashes that you get. So the ones that I got were in the style Diamond. We then have a little booklet. I'm guessing it's just like a little bit of instructions. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need that. And then we have this weird thing. So this is the liquid magnetic eyeliner. Nice packaging. Is it like a liquid? Okay, that seems quite thick. That's what she said. Okay, so it's like a liquid liner. It does look very, very thick though. Like it's not like obviously it's a liquid, but it's a little bit thicker than what you would maybe get in like a standard liquid liner or like a felt tip pen or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna see how that kind of wears for a minute. So how the hell does this thing work? Okay, so it says shake well before using. All right. Then it says apply the magnetic eyeliner onto your lash line like a normal wing liner. Then says like the usual kind of like trim your lashes. And then I'm guessing this is just like, I think this is just like a standard cleansing oil. That's kind of like the vibe I'm getting. But yeah, it looks like you basically just apply them like you kind of would normal lashes. But instead of putting like the lash glue on the lashes, you put it like on your eyes like normal liner. So basically you're just putting on liner and then you don't need to like glue down your lashes or anything. Okay, so that's like, I guess like 70% dried. It is like a very, very black liner though, which is nice. Yeah, so I guess there's not really much else to do apart from put this stuff on my eyeballs. Let's do it. Okay, so like I said, I have the diamond style lashes. These look very big. Like very big. They're so weird. They've got like, they fully do just have like little magnets along them. Like there's 5 little magnets along the lash line. Let me just show you. Like, look at that. That's pretty mental. Just a little magnets there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give these a little snip. So I'm guessing like the best way for me to do this is kind of like cut them where like the magnet kind of ends. Let me just see how that'll work on my eyeball. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna like cut them where the 4th magnet ends. And then maybe just a tiny little bit at the front where the other magnet is. Okay, I guess we're just gonna do this. The brush is very thick. Like very thick. It does say on the instructions actually. What does it say? If you're having issues with product getting on the tips of your lashes while you apply, try using a different eyeliner brush. I'll try it like this, but I'm kind of thinking I might resort to like using like a wing liner brush or something. So I'm just gonna go along my lash line, I think. I guess you kind of need to be able to do like wing liner or not wing liner, but like liquid liner with this. Also, how is liner magnetic? Like, what has it got inside that makes it magnetic? I should probably have checked that before I actually put it on my eyeballs. That's fine. You know what? This little applicator isn't actually too bad for liner. It's not like my most favorite way to apply it, but it's not that difficult. Okay, so I've got my liner on there. Then it says to wait a minute. So I guess I'm just gonna wait. So I've got my lash. And I feel like because obviously it's magnet, I don't really feel like I need to clamp it down too much. Although that is a weird thing actually, because normally I do like squish my liner or like my lashes to my eyeball. So this is going to be a little bit weird. Is that like, I mean, that went on. What the fuck? Why did that work? I mean, I feel like I can just like, okay, it's still drying, I think, but that just like fully stuck onto my liner. And I mean, they're not like what the hell? Oh my God, that is really weird. I mean, the liner is very, very sticky and it's very messy, but like I can literally feel, it's not obviously like a magnet next to a fridge or something, but I can literally feel that as I put them down like on my lash line, they just kind of just stay secure. I don't know. I'm going to like leave them there for a second. It says to press 2 to 3 times along the lash line for amazing hold. Okay, so I'm now just going to press along the lash line. This is actually really weird. I'm a little bit freaked out. Huh? Like why is that working? I want to give them a minute before I like fiddle around with them to see how sturdy they are. How has that worked so easily? And why do these look good? Like, I've tried some other magnetic lashes before. They suck. These are just really nice lashes. Like, if I just cover up this eyeball. What? These lashes look great. I mean, the only downside I can see about these is that, obviously, they're not great if you don't want to wear liner. Like, I don't tend to wear liner that often. So, this might not be something for, like, every day for me. But, yeah, so far, like, obviously, I haven't tested how, like, sturdy they are or anything, but so far these look really good and I'm a little bit confused. So now we're going to do the other eye. So I'm going to take off loads of excess on the brush. I find the brush is fine, you just need to make sure you like really wipe it off. Obviously another kind of like downfall with this as well is, unlike normal lash glue, if you screw up then you are kind of just really screwed actually, because it's quite black and it's quite like sticky and thick. So yeah, if you mess up with this, then there's kind of no going back really. You just have to kind of deal with it. But I think because it is quite a thick formula, it's not that difficult to apply. Oh my God, I just got that in my eye. Am I going to have like a magnetic eyeball now? Ugh. Can you see that? It's like properly in my eyeball. Help. See, what did I say? No going back if you screw this up. And what did I do? I bloody screwed it up, didn't I? It doesn't feel great in your eye, I've got to admit. Oh, dude, I've got it like all in my lashes. Definitely recommend you do this liner before you do your mascara. Okay, that's that little side done. So again, I'm just going to leave it for a minute. Let it dry down a second. I'm so confused by these lashes. They're really comfortable as well. I'm very confused. So I'm just going to give this lash another bend. Let me see if I can like get a little bit close up or something. All right, so I've got my lash. I'm going to see if I can like do this one-handed just so you guys can see. Like, I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but, like, I didn't even, like, press it right along the lash line. It just kind of stuck there. This is so odd. I think because I've got some of the liner, like, in my actual lashes, this one's going a little bit wonky. Yeah, that one's not as neat as the first one, but still, I am very impressed and very confused as to how this works. Because these actually look good. This one looks better. This one does look a lot better. Like, this one I had a little bit of trouble with. But even still, like, they look pretty decent. The line is the only thing kind of, like, throwing me off a little bit. Because it is, where it has kind of pinged off a bit here, it has made the line a bit wonky. But I just don't understand how the hell this works. Why am I just like cut? This liner is messy, really messy. I'm very impressed by how it works, but it is like, I've never really had a liner this messy. I've even got it on my shoulder, for God's sake. How did I even manage that? Yeah, I balls this one up a little bit, but this one I'm just obsessed with. I'm really into actually. I wasn't sure if I was actually even into like the lash style, but if we just ignore this eye for a minute, I really like these lashes. And they feel really comfortable. And like, let's see how sturdy they are. I mean, you can see I'm just pulling the lash right now and it's pulling my eyelid a little bit. So, I mean, how strong does a set of lashes have to be? So, like, I mean, how strong does a set of lashes have to be? If you can kind of like pull at them a little bit without them coming off, I'd say that's kind of what you want. I feel like I maybe didn't leave this one to dry for long enough because it does like, I don't know, it's like pinging up a little bit. So maybe it wasn't dry long enough. I do want to do a quick little like selfie cam to show you. So this is like the good eye. I mean, I know the liner's maybe not applied like amazingly. I mean, it's really not that bad. And like, if I try and pull up my lashes a little bit, you can see it's maybe not like fully secure right on the edge there, but still, like, I'm pulling up my lashes here and they're not coming off. Like, you can see that there. So that's really not budging. And I feel like that one looks good. This one is a little bit janky. A little bit janky, this one. Like, you can see here, the liner's like skipped and stuff. And it has kind of like caught up in my other lashes, like my natural lashes. So yeah, it's like the inner corner's not really doing what it's told there. But it's not awful. If it looked like this, I'd be very happy. This one's kind of a bit like a, what are you doing, sir? It's not too bad. If I kind of like got rid of this bit here, I feel like these would look all right. Bloody, we're living in the future, guys. I swear to God. I'm honestly so bloody confused. And oddly impressed. All right, guys, so this is like the kind of finished look of my little magnetic eyeballs. I'm covered in liner, like fully just like, I've wiped off the majority of it, but like I've got a liner there. How did I manage? I don't even know how I managed that, but like, yeah, I'm covered. This, despite how like it might sound, isn't like the most mess-free way to do falsies. That I think applying glue and like regular liner is a lot more mess-free. But, and again, like I am fully disregarding this eye because this eye was just a hot mess. I really am like quite impressed with this. The fact that they literally just like, they stick there and they're not gonna like stray away from the lash line. Obviously, like if you put the liner on your lash line, that's where the lashes are gonna stick to. So I feel like you're not really gonna end up with overly wonky lashes unless you do this and you give yourself wonky liner, then you might end up with wonky lashes. But I mean, if you're decent at applying liner and you don't get too cocky and like get it in your eyeball and stuff, I actually really quite like these. I really didn't think I would, but I'm actually way more into them than I thought I would be. And it says you get up to 30 all-day wears, which, I mean, that's pretty good. I guess because obviously like they're not gonna get covered in lash glue and get like ruined with lash glue. That's how they kind of last a little bit longer. Yeah, I'm honestly really impressed by this. There definitely are like a few things I would change or like slightly alter to make it a little bit easier for me to apply. Like I'm not really keen on the applicator. I feel like that's maybe like the main problem with this. Maybe if it was like a little bit thinner in consistency and then like a slightly easier applicator to use, you wouldn't have the problem of like getting it all over your eyeballs like I did. But other than that, I really can't fault this too much, which is, I mean, in all honesty, I was expecting this video to be a fail. So yeah, I actually kind of rate this. I don't know if it's worth £35 or £45. I mean, these are nice lashes regardless, like they are really nice lashes, and I know like Lily Lash and stuff are also expensive. And I also know that this isn't like a massive brand or whatever, so it's gonna cost a little bit more. So that makes perfect sense. But yeah, like if magnetic liner or like magnetic lashes is something you guys wanna try out, these are actually really good. They might take a little bit of practice. I think like I had like a bit of a fluke with this one. But it can look really, really good and really kind of like, I don't know, there's just like, there's no like goopy glue mess or anything like that on my lash line. So yeah, I actually really quite like it. Wasn't really expecting that. So guys, let me know your thoughts on magnetic liner and magnetic lashes. Would you try them out? How do you think it looks? Not this eye, just focus on this one. Because I really do quite like it. And it does feel really, really comfortable as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me because I upload all the damn time. Also, let me know if you want me to do any other kind of like weird testing videos where I try out like a gimmicky product or something because I love doing things like this. But yes, me and my magnetic eyeballs now are probably going to go to bed because it's now 3 in the morning. So yeah, that's about it. It's not really how I usually end my videos, is it? So now I don't really know how to end them without doing my little saying. I guess apart from all that, that is it from me. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Right, lashes off. See you later. I'm going to bed. That was surprisingly easy. Okay, bye.